Floating on the edge of the world stands a creation beyond imagination, the house of Elon Musk. It rises from the mist like a vision from the future, a fusion of steel, glass, and natural stone that seems to defy gravity itself. Here, the line between nature and technology dissolves into pure artistry. Every curve of its structure, every reflection of sunlight off its panels, tells the story of precision and imagination. Surrounded by emerald valleys and endless skies, this home exists in harmony with its surroundings, a place where the future feels alive, breathing softly through every surface. Before we step inside this futuristic masterpiece, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon, because what you're about to see will redefine luxury forever. As you approach, the architecture commands silence. The air feels charged, alive with energy drawn from the earth and the sun. Solar veins run through the outer skin of the house, capturing light and feeding power to an invisible network within. The walls themselves adapt to the environment, tinting, glowing, and reshaping with the rhythm of the day. This is not a home that needs attention. It demands awe. Every inch of it has been crafted not just to be seen, but to be felt. An engineering marvel that floats above the world yet remains deeply connected to it. Step inside, and the world outside fades into soft echoes. The grand foyer greets you with an ocean of light. Floors of white marble shimmer beneath your feet, veins of gold and silver flickering like lightning beneath glass. The air carries a scent of cedar and cool stone. Walls stretch high into the sky, their texture shifting subtly as light passes through them. A holographic art installation dances silently in the air, its form changing with your movements, its patterns responding to your gaze. Everything here feels alive, intelligent, aware. The house doesn't just respond to you, it understands you. Beyond the entrance lies a living space of pure tranquility. The living room opens like a sanctuary, surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass that frames a living painting. Mountains, clouds, and greenery all merging into one grand scene. A tranquil pond ripples just beyond the wall, reflecting beams of sunlight that move like silk across the ceiling. The furniture seems sculpted from the future, smooth, seamless, and floating slightly above the ground. There's no noise, no clutter, only calm sophistication. Here, opulence doesn't shout. It whispers in harmony with nature. Further in, the dining hall stands beneath a soaring glass dome, where every dinner becomes a royal affair. Golden chandeliers hang like constellations, casting soft light across a table carved from a single piece of marble. Reflections dance across mirrored pillars, amplifying the glow. The sound of a nearby waterfall hums faintly in the distance, blending with the quiet melody of soft classical music. Every detail, from the polished utensils to the ambient lighting, speaks of a kind of luxury that transcends wealth. It's not about what is owned, but what is experienced. The bedroom carries the essence of peace. Bathed in morning sunlight, it opens into a private tropical garden filled with palms and fragrant flowers. The bed, draped in silk and linen, faces a panoramic window overlooking the mountains. Gentle breezes filter through the room, carrying the scent of rain and earth. A hidden spa lies just beyond, carved into smooth natural stone, glowing softly with golden light. Warm water flows into a circular pool surrounded by living plants and flickering candles. It's a retreat within a retreat, a space where the body rests and the mind dissolves into serenity. The kitchen redefines the meaning of modern living. Every surface is intelligent, every motion automated yet elegant. The counters shimmer with a metallic sheen, adjusting their color to the mood of the day. Robotic arms assist in meal preparation with absolute precision, while AI monitors ingredients, flavor balance, and temperature. This is not merely a space for cooking, it's a stage for innovation, where technology and taste perform in perfect synchrony. Just beyond it, the office stands as the heart of the house, a command center center of ideas filled with holographic interfaces and a transparent desk overlooking the horizon. Here, creativity takes form in silence. It's a place for vision, for thought, for invention. Deeper within, the atmosphere shifts again. A private theater lies hidden within a cave of smooth stone, where lush greenery climbs the walls and soft light flows through streams of water. The sound is immersive, the visuals lifelike, turning every film into an experience that feels real. Nearby, a wine vault glows with a golden radiance. Bottles of rare vintage line the marble walls, guarded by crystal chandeliers and air cooled by the breath of the mountain itself. It's less a collection than a celebration, a reminder that indulgence can be both refined and alive. And finally, as the evening fades, the house transforms once more. The exterior glows under the touch of twilight, its surfaces reflecting stars and moonlight. The air grows still, the world below quiet. The sound of flowing water and the distant hum of energy fill the silence. From the cliffs to the corridors, every corner of this place tells the same story, a story of balance between human genius and nature's grace. This is more than a mansion. It's a living testament to imagination, a sanctuary where technology serves tranquility, where innovation breathes through design, and where the future has already arrived. The house of Elon Musk, where luxury meets purpose and every sunrise feels like the beginning of another world. If this glimpse into the future inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because more incredible stories of design, innovation, and luxury are just around the corner.